recap of what we had done the last time. I will show the screen to you. Just a moment. All right, so here we are. So in the thief story, what we come to know is that uh, this story is written by Ruskin Bond, but he is not the thief in the story. Okay, the thief is just a character who is narrating the story. Another main character is of Anil. In the first paragraph of the lesson, we learn that Anil was 25 years old. He was a tall, lean fellow, and he looked very easygoing, very cool and calm, and he had a kind and a simple nature, which was enough, for the thief's purpose. That was to rob him. Then we see that the thief names himself as Hari Singh, which isn't the real name. Uh, he says that he always took a new name every month because that helped him keep ahead of the police and his ex-employees. Because I told you that he used to work for his ex-employees. He would gain their confidence, gain their trust, and then he would rob them one fine day and just leave. That was his way, and he was planning to do the same with Anil. Then we learn about how Anil was approached by Hari Singh. Where they have a conversation that Hari Singh wants to work for Anil, and Anil says, "I can pay you." He says, "Can you cook?" So he lies again that yes, I can cook. And then when he cooks food, it's terrible. And how does Hari Singh come to know about it? He comes to know about it because Anil does not eat a single bite of it and just gives it to a dog on the road. But Anil, because he's a very easygoing person, he doesn't get angry with Hari Singh. Instead, says, "I will teach you how to cook, and I will also teach you how to write your name and write sentences and numbers as well." What we come to know about Anil is Hari Singh is that he also doesn't want to be a thief all his life. He also want to live, like an educated man, so that there would be no limit to what he could achieve. Then he admits that it was very good working for Anil, and he used to make tea in the morning. Then he would go out to buy the day's supplies, and then he would make a profit of about a rupee. And he says maybe Anil knew it, but then Anil was very easygoing, so he never seemed to mind. Then we come to know about the way Anil made money. So there was an idiom, fits and starts, which means without any continuity. So he was a writer and he used to write for magazines, which was a very weird way of making money. The moment he would get money, he would celebrate it with his friends and just spend all the money with his friends. So what we will do, guys, is uh, we will start with page number 9, last two lines. Well, it's time. Okay, we will start from there so that we can all get the connection. All right. So the story now stands at a point where Hari Singh says that one evening Anil came home with a bundle of notes and he just said that he had sold a book to the publisher. Now at night, Anil had tucked the money, that is, put the money under the mattress. And now Hari Singh was waiting to do something because it had been a month. And apart from cheating on shopping, he had not done anything in his line of work. And he said, I had every opportunity to do so because Anil had given me the key to his bedroom. I could come in and go out. But then he says that, it is so difficult to rob Anil is because he's the most trusting guy I've ever met. तो एक तो उसका भरोसा टूटेगा तो यार there was something that was haunting Hari Singh before he could go and rob him. And also Anil was careless. Okay, he was careless. So अगर उसको लूट भी लिया तो उसको मालूम भी पड़ेगा नहीं कि वो लूट चुका है. So that would take away all the fun. And I had given you an example of, when you tickle someone who doesn't feel ticklish, there is no fun. So here we start from now. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself, I'm out of practice. बहुत time से किसी को लूटा नहीं है. And if I don't take the money, he'll only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So this way, Hari Singh was trying to give himself a reason to rob Anil because he had some reasons to not rob him. You know the reasons, right? One of the reasons being that he was the most trusting person that he had ever met. Another reason was that he was careless. तो उसको लूट के मजा भी नहीं आता. But then Hari Singh's other side of the brain is telling him, or is giving him some reasons to rob him. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. A beam of moonlight is simply a ray of moonlight. So a ray of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So that was the plan. पैसा अभी लूट लिया तो 10:30 का ट्रेन पकड़ के फुर. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Crept, please write the meaning, crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. He crawled up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. So Anil was sleeping very peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Clear and unlined, which means he did not have a single wrinkle on his face when he slept. तो बहुत ही peacefully वो सोया था. चेहरे पे कोई निशान नहीं, wrinkles नहीं, tension नहीं. One of the main reasons was that he was very easygoing. He says, even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. So Hari Singh says कि वो 25 साल का था, young था, मुझसे बड़ा था. Still, he had no lines on his face, and I was 10 years younger than him. Still, I had some marks on my face, although my marks were not the wrinkles, they were mostly scars. Scars, please write the meaning, injuries or wounds. Injury or wound. अब कभी पकड़ा गया होगा, कभी भागता होगा तो पुलिस ने पकड़ा होगा तो उसको मारा होगा, कभी गिर गया होगा भागते भागते. So he had some scars on his face. Scars could be mark left on the skin, wound or an injury. He says, my hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Let's write some meanings, guys. Slid, the meaning of the word slid is to move smoothly along the surface. Slid means to move smoothly along the surface. So इसने अपना हाथ डाला मैट्रेस के अंदर, पैसे बाहर निकाले. The moment he took the money out, Anil sighed in his sleep. Sighed, please write the meaning. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. So नींद में उसने deep breath लिया and he turned towards Hari Singh's side. Of course, Hari Singh का बहुत कुछ tear हो गया होगा वो time पर. I cannot use certain words here. So he was really scared. Okay, he says I was startled. Startled. Please write the meaning. Feel sudden shock. Startled. Please write the meaning. Feel sudden shock. Feel sudden shock. And he says I quickly crawled out of the room. फट फट मैं room के बाहर निकल गया. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So he says, when I was on the road, I began to run. मैं भागना शुरू किया. अब notes कहाँ रखा? ये बहुत ही interesting जगह है. He put the notes at his waist and he held there by the string of his pajamas. यानी पजामे के नाड़े के साथ में उसने notes को बांध कर रखा. थोड़ी भी चूक यहाँ वहाँ होती तो पैसा भी जाता और इज्जत भी. I slowed down to a walk then because he was tired. He was now walking and counted the notes. So he had 600 rupees. Guys, in those days, long ago, 600 rupees was a huge amount. And he said, I had it in 50s. So here the question is, how many notes did he have of 50s? You can apply your own mathematics and please do not let Shashikant sir down. He's your mathematics teacher. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So he's comparing himself to an oil-rich Arab. Now we all know why are Arabs called rich people, because they have oils over there, they have oil wells. And if you ever happen to discover an oil well, believe me, you'll be the luckiest person ever. You'll be super rich. So he says, यार मस्त जिंदगी जी सकता है मैं 2 हफ्ते के लिए. But remember, guys, this life of an oil-rich Arab was a temporary thing. Okay. Just let me see, where are we in the textbook? Yeah. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. Of course, यार चोर है. टिकट निकाल कर थोड़ी ही अपना इज्जत खराब करना है, अपना इमेज खराब करना है. But dashed straight to the platform. Underline the word dashed. Dashed means to make a quick run. dashed is to make a quick run. Fat fat bhaga ho towards the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. But I hesitated. Please write the meaning for the word hesitated. Unable to make a decision or unable to take a decision. Unable to take a decision is hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. Now, I am very sure more than half of you who are listening to me right now know that one reason why he did not get into the train. वो बोलता है ट्रेन इतना स्लो चल रहा था कि मैं भाग के चढ़ सकता था, but for some reason I didn't go in. The reason was very simple. His guilt. उसके अंदर एक गिल्ट था कि सबसे ज्यादा वो इंसान जिसने मुझे भरोसा किया, मैं उसको धोखा देके जा रहा हूँ. And that is why he says I lost the chance to get away. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Please underline the word deserted. It means EMPTY, empty or lonely. So he found himself standing on the deserted platform, lonely. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. यार अब चोरों के लिए दोस्त होना एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम है, हेल्प नहीं. क्योंकि अगर हम 5 चोर हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ शशिकांत सर, आई एंड औरिक सर, हम 3 चोर हैं और हम दोस्त हैं. हम में से अगर एक भी पकड़ा गया, पुलिस ने किसी एक को भी पकड़ लिया, तो वो एक मार खाते-खाते दूसरे का नाम बता देगा. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव एस्केप्ड, पीपल विल गो एंड कैच होल्ड ऑफ एंड शशिकांत सर विल स्टिल मैनेज, बट आई थिंक औरिक सर विल टेल द ट्रूथ कि ध्रुव पैसा लेके भाग गया. So it's better to not have friends in the robbery line of work. Okay. So he says that I did not want to make anyone curious. Curious means, you know, keen, K-E-E-N, keen. Curious is eager, E-A-G-E-R, eager, by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. You can also write the meaning of the word curious as doubtful. Over here, it means doubtful. क्योंकि अगर मैं कोई होटल के पास जाकर रुकूंगा स्टेशन के पास, तो लोगों को शक होगा कि यार ये अकेला आदमी था, रात को क्यों रहने के लाया. The only person I knew really well, the only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. तो यार अब एक ही इंसान था जिसको मैं जानता था. अब उस इंसान को मैंने लूट लिया तो मैं उसके पास भी जा नहीं सकता हूँ. So now he says I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, wow. So here this man is actually, talking of his career. चोरी करना एक career है. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. तो इंसान के चेहरे का उसने स्टडी किया था. When they had lost the goods. जब किसी का कोई चीज गुम हो जाता है तो इंसान का चेहरा कैसा होता है. The greedy man showed fear. So जो इंसान greedy रहेगा वो fear दिखाएगा. The rich man showed anger. गुस्सा हो जाएगा एक अमीर इंसान. The poor man showed acceptance. Poor man showed acceptance as in उसको मालूम है कि अब पैसा चला गया, he has no option to get the money back. So he will accept the situation. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. वो सिर्फ थोड़ा sadness दिखाएगा. इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ sadness. And not for the loss of money, पैसे के लिए नहीं, because he was an easygoing man, but for the loss of trust. अनिल को ये दुख नहीं होगा कि मैंने उसका पैसा चुरा लिया. उसको ये दुख होगा कि यार इतना भरोसा किया और भरोसा तोड़ दिया यार मैंने. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. So he says, I found myself in the Maidan. If you see the word Maidan and pajamas were written in italics, that's because these words are an example of code mixing. CODEMIXING. आप लिख सकते हैं मैदान के ऊपर, यानी कि these are some Hindi words which are used in English. Okay, pajamas and Maidan. These are code mixing. Okay, please note this down. CODEMIXING. And he was sitting on a bench. The night was chilly, that is a little cold. It was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Drizzle is light shower of rains. Okay, थोड़ा बारिश था इसलिए और ठंडा लग रहा था. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin. उसका शर्ट और पैजामा उसके स्किन को स्टिक हो गया क्योंकि गीला हो गया था. यानी कि you can say that his pajamas were no more pajamas, they were now leggings. Okay, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So बारिश हो रही थी. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of a clock tower. So he sat there in the shelter of a clock tower because वहाँ पे बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. The clock showed midnight, that is 12 in the midnight. I felt for the notes. Felt for, please underline, this idiom means to feel bad for something. So if I say I feel bad for the families of the people who, uh, have their loved ones facing coronavirus. So I feel for them. I feel for them is I feel bad for them. So I felt bad for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Damp, damp means wet, moist. They were damp from the rain. गीले हो गए थे notes. This is extremely important point in the story. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, movie देखने के लिए. Come on यार, ऐसा कौन सा ओनर करता है? कौन सा मास्टर करता है नौकर को, सर्वेंट को 2-3 रुपए दे रहा है जाके मूवी देख कर आया यार, ऐश कर अपनी जिंदगी. But now I had it all. अब सारा पैसा मेरे पास है. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Just a second, guys. Yeah. So he says, now he's thinking, कि अगर मैं कल सुबह उठता तो मुझे पैसा देता थोड़ा बहुत, बाजार जाता, अब उसके लिए खाना नहीं बना पाऊंगा, ना ही बाजार जा पाऊंगा. And wait, I will also not be able to learn whole sentences anymore. If you remember, guys, I told you, पैसा मिलकर आराम से जीना was a temporary solution, 2 week के लिए. But he did not want it. He wanted to be a big educated man. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really big man, a clever and a respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So now he was in a dilemma. Confusion में था कि अब करूँ क्या? ये temporary खुशी एक तरह permanent happiness and success. If I want people to respect me, I'll have to be an educated man. That means I'll have to go back to Anil and learn those sentences, even though he hits me back, or even though whatever he puts me into the police, but I have to go back. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. Of course. Why was he nervous? Let us see. It is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Undetected, please write the meaning. Undiscovered. Undetected is undiscovered. So for example, अगर आपको घर पे फ्रिज में से कुछ खाना है when your parents are asleep at night, for example मैगी बनाने का, so you take out the utensils and you make some Maggie for yourself. तो यार मैगी बनाना is not the difficult thing. The difficult thing is सब utensils धोकर वापस इस तरह से रखना कि सुबह उठकर मम्मी को मालूम ही ना पड़े कि रात को क्या हुआ था. That is the most difficult thing. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Please write the meaning of the word clouded. Clouded means covered with clouds. Covered with clouds. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed, that is the top of the bed, and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still. Still, write the meaning, please. The meaning of the word still is unmoved. UNMOVED, unmoved for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. I awoke late next morning. Of course, रात भर उसने धूम मचाई है, तो सुबह नींद लेट खुली. To find that Anil had already made the tea. Come on, yaar, how could you even think of robbing this man? ऐसा ओनर जो सर्वेंट सुबह सोया हुआ है उसके लिए चाय बना के उसको दे रहा है, कहाँ मिलता है यार? ये तो देवमानुष निकला. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. Please write the meaning of this idiom. Heart sank. It means to feel depressed. Right? The meaning of the idiom heart sank. It means to feel depressed. He says, my heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. मुझे लगा मैं पकड़ा गया. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. So Anil said, पैसा ले और अभी से तुझे रेगुलरली पैसा मिलेगा क्योंकि मैंने कल थोड़ा पैसा कमाया है. My spirits rose. Please write the meaning of this idiom. Lot of idioms here. Spirits rose. Write the meaning. Become very hopeful. Become very hopeful. HOPEFUL. Become very hopeful. He says, I became very hopeful. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. अभी भी नोट्स गीले थे. यानी कि अनिल को मालूम था कि कल रात को मैंने चोरी करने की कोशिश की है. क्योंकि यार अब नोट्स के पास पैर तो है नहीं कि खुद ही बाहर जाएंगे. और रात को बारिश भी हुई थी. घर पे एक ही इंसान है. कौन? द लेजेंडरी हरी सिंह. सो नाउ व्हाट ही वाज सरप्राइज्ड अबाउट वाज कि अगर इसको मालूम है तो व्हाई इज ही बीइंग सो काइंड टू मी. दैट इज व्हाट अनिल वाज, राइट? ही वाज सच अ काइंड मैन. Instead of scolding him or giving him to the police or handing him to the police, what does Anil say? He says, today we'll start writing sentences. He said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, appealing, attractive. And the smile came by itself without any effort. Iske pehle bhi, if you remember, he had smiled appealing twice. Once when he said, that I want to work for you. And second, when he said, when he cooked food and he did not cook really well and he made that he had to put those efforts, dil se nahi aaya tha wo smile. But pehli baar smile dil se aaya. Such a wonderful man. There is a big lesson that we get to learn from this. Not just you students, but also we as teachers. And I would really request, if I have some teachers right now listening to me, in this meeting. I'm sure Shashikant sir is there, but some other administrative staff also. Teachers and students, it's very difficult to be honest and accept a mistake. So when someone comes and owns up to the mistake, कोई इंसान आके अगर अपनी गलती एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है, उसको पनिश करने के बजाय हमने उसको मोटिवेट करना चाहिए, उसको रिवॉर्ड करना चाहिए फॉर बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. क्योंकि अगर ऑनेस्टी के बदले उस इंसान को पनिशमेंट या तकलीफ मिलती है, तो वो इंसान वापस ऑनेस्ट होना बंद कर देगा. Honesty should be rewarded, and that is one very big lesson, very important lesson that we learn from this chapter, from this lesson. All right, guys, I want you to do certain things from the activity part. So, if you couldn't find or couldn't complete the web diagram that I had given to you, activity 1 of the English workshop, you now have even more qualities about these two. You can do that. Guys, I want you to do activity number 2. As you can see, web diagram के नीचे है, insert the appropriate word phrase given below in the sentences that follow. So guys, you can see in the bracket हमने बहुत सारे words सीखे थे lesson में. We learned flattery, appealing, that is attractive, by fits and starts, dash to, that is ran quickly to, undetected, that is undiscovered, spirits rose, that is to be hopeful. I want you to solve all of this in the textbook and get it. All right. I wish I could do 3A and 3B with you, collocations and compound words, but doing it online is a little difficult and tricky, guys. So I would not do it with you. I had asked you to do activity number 4. If you haven't, please do it. You get some more information here. I want you to complete the given sentences, activity 5. That is over here on page activity number 5, top. I want you to do all the 5. And I think I had asked you to write activity number 7, so you will do that. And I think you've already done activity number 8. If you haven't, then please do it. So guys, you will do activity number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. That is what you were supposed to do in this entire lesson. I'll repeat again. Please note this down. बाद में chat पे 100 बार मत पूछना. Activity number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. this is what you're supposed to do. Activity 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. So that's how we are done with the lesson.